I'd like to talk about elements of jury damages. First, you've got economic damages, like past medical expenses, future medical expenses, past lost wages or income, future loss of earnings and capacity, loss of household services, property damage, loss of use of your vehicle, and those out-of-pocket expenses for that. And then there's the non-economic damages. These are more of past physical pain, future physical pain, past mental and emotional suffering, and the trauma of the event itself is part of the recovery. Anxiety, depression, PTSD, humiliation, embarrassment, grief, future mental and emotional suffering, loss of enjoyment of life, which is loss of specific activities, things like hobbies, recreation, meaningful things that you've done in the past. If you can't work out anymore, if you can't play with your kids anymore, if you can't do soccer, sports, whatever it is. And also there's an element of damage for disfigurement and scarring and burns and bones healing wrong, those kinds of things. There's also a loss of consortium, which is love and capacity in a relationship in a marriage, and it's that physical relationship. There's also punitive damages that we look at to see if we can recover, which was basically to punish the wrongdoer. Things that when they were willful and malicious or grossly negligent, things that blatantly disregard the safety and the life of others. Things like drunk driving, being under the influence, on the phone, distracted driving and texting, things like that. So all these things are elements that we look at to recover in a personal injury case and make sure that you recover the maximum that you possibly can.